So, like the previous session, even though we use the qualification, as we said, what in the matrix is relationship. In case, if we go and see about the fiber reinforcement, to consider these three different kind of cases. The first one, fiber, that is the first case. Number two, we use it to take whether the matrix which has a continuous space. And the third one, the interface region, which is also known. Okay, so based upon these three different conditions, we need to make it as a composite building material for a faucet. This is where advanced composite group, which makes use of the rice husk, plastic as the ingredients. This involves a method of refining, blending, compounding, natural cellulosic waste, streams to form a high-strength fiber along with the composite material in polymer plus that we need to study with this epoxy. Okay. So here, what is the primary function of the fibers when we get into the reinforcement? So generally, fibers having some unique properties like, for example, it is used to carry the loads along with the longitudinal directions. Or otherwise, let us see some example that we are using as a common fiber reinforcing agents. For example, aluminum oxide, aluminum silica, asbestos, beryllium, carbon, glass, molybdenum, polyamide, Kevlar 29 and as well as the Kevlar 49, polyester, glass, tantalum, titanium, tungsten monocarbide. So these are commonly used fiber reinforcing agents in order to withstand the heavy amount of load which has been applied over this fiber. So most of the fiber reinforced composites, their strength has been mostly determined with respect to their type of reinforcement. So it also depends upon the type of resin which we are using to use it as a matrix in order to binding their properties to become more stronger when compared to this. So some of the commonly used resin materials which has been listed in this slide, the first one, it is an epoxy. So it is this epoxy resin, it is commonly called as a thermosetting resin. In case, if you are using the phenolic, it is also the thermosetting, but compared to epoxy araldite, it is a little bit less strengthened. Then polyester is coming under thermoplastic. So before we enter into this kind of resins, we need to know what is the thermoplastic and what is the thermosetting. Thermosetting means it has been permanently bound up, or the resins which fuse the agent or which fuse the sample workpiece, it cannot undergo any kind of deformation or it may not return to their original state. That is what we call the thermosetting. In case, if it is a thermo, the specific sample which returns to its original position, which means which regains their position, whatever before it undergone the deformation, the same kind which has been happened for the thermoplastics. Okay, so the polyester, it is coming under the category of thermoplastics, and as well as the polyurethane, it is also a thermoplastic. Polyester, it is coming in the thermosetting. Okay, so here these are kind of resin matrices which we are commonly used for manufacturing the fiber composites. Suppose if there is a compression ranges which has been varied, or otherwise whenever the coupling agent which is changing their phase, in that case this resin property which has been affected because of the coupling agent and their bonding strength and as well as their mechanical properties which have been hugely affected because of their changing parameters. So that is why we need to optimize these things only by incorporating this resin and Horner ratio along with that thermoplastic and thermosetting resins. So the major consideration why we are using the resin it depends on the cellulose amount which has been present in the fiber. Accordingly, we need to preserve this resin, or else this resin and the fiber cellulose content, which it may not mix with each other, it affecting their strength of bonding. Okay, so these are the things which we need to take into the consideration before we are fabricating this composite sample. Thank you.